Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open the game and press the Options or Menu button to access settings. Navigate to the Gameplay or HUD tab and find Crosshair or Reticle options. Toggle Custom Reticle on so changes apply immediately. Adjust color for contrast and visibility. Pick a bright color like cyan or yellow. Set opacity to about 50% to balance visibility and background clutter. Change thickness to 2 for clarity and length to 6 for clean aiming lines. Save changes before leaving the menu to keep them enabled. Fine-tune crosshair shape by adjusting length, thickness, and center gap. Increase thickness slowly to avoid obscuring targets. Try thickness 2 as a starting point. Set length to 6 for a balanced reticle that points to targets without crowding. Toggle the center dot on for precision shots or off for unobstructed sight. Set the gap around 3.5 to maintain a clear view of the target center. Change scale only if you need larger reticle proportions for distance aiming. Always test your crosshair in the firing range after applying settings. Try targets at 15 to 50 meters to evaluate hip fire and ADS alignment. Fire single shots and bursts to confirm the center matches bullet impact. Save your configuration as a preset so you can switch quickly between profiles. Create separate presets for snipers, SMG, and general play if needed. Iterate by adjusting mouse or controller sensitivity to match your new reticle feel for consistent aiming performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.